Hello everyone, welcome here. Myself Sekhar Metla and I would like to share you like a top 5 programming languages for 2023. And who wants to enter and you wants to learn programming languages for latest technologies for huge packages and huge career growth. Let's start. Before going to initiating the lecture, if you are new to watching this video lecture from Hari Systems, subscribe now. And we are going like a top 5 ranks to rank 1 a course wise with the trending programming languages. Now let's see here top 5 C++ programming language. So the based on the survey and who are more interested and more packages are gaining from applying and learning the skills of C++ coding skills. So these C++ if you are learned in core and object-oriented programming skills where the pillars of mainly you want to apply in a coding standards to reusing techniques. Yes, the based on the survey, packages are going to start from the dollars of 76,185 and great opportunities. Yes, if you are strong at C++, various like creating of device drivers, embedded systems and more core coding technologies are going to be used to implement like applications, browsers and softwares, desktop applications. Yes, C++ language will be used. The next one, 4, the C#, which is the technology like a language from Microsoft and which is having either web application development and Windows based application development. Huge opportunities are available in C# coding. So based on the survey, packages are going to be starts from the beginners around $73,225 and great opportunities when you are learning core C# and advanced C#. If you are applying add-on of like any of framework technologies which you are done in C# like you are having ample of opportunities. Rank number 3, Java. Yes, based on the survey, as you know, I think you are learning in any software guy, you may understood about the Java. Yes, there is a great opportunities in Java to implementation of web applications, services, mobile apps and whatnot. So the based on the survey, the packages are going to be starts from $89,509 and a great huge opportunities when you are learning like a core Java, advanced Java, Java microservices, servlets and frameworks. Yes, try to learn full stack development using Java. Now it's a Python. Yes, most of the very most comfortable and data science concepts are introducing using Python programming language. So these language, yes, nowadays having huge opportunities in anywhere like industries of data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence and core related. All the software developments are going to be implementing and applying Python as a trending programming language. Yes, the survey is giving a very huge ranking of Python and the packages are going to be starting even if you are a beginner 89,888. Yes, great opportunities. Yes, there are wonderful opportunities are there. Now JavaScript. Why I am chosen as the number 1? So whenever you are learning JavaScript, all the relevant programming languages till now we have seen, yes, these all the languages along with the JavaScript you need to learn to apply as a front-end technology. Now the based on the survey, package starts from it's around $103.590 and great opportunities in everywhere. The JavaScript is most popular trending scripting language in the IT industry. Yes, where is the based on the survey? Yes, Stack Overflow, Indeed and Naukri and the like huge job opportunity search engines, they have collected and reviewed and revised this information and sharing with you for making your career around the plan of a long-term journey when you are choosing as a basic and beginner standing programming language. I hope these are very super easy to start if you don't know anything about the coding. Yes, anyone can learn coding from scratch. Thanks for watching this video session and sparing your time. I hope if it is useful to you. Yes, for many video lectures from Hari Systems, subscribe now, comment yourself, and for more online trending programming languages, find the description below link. Thank you for watching. Thank you.